Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I promise you this will be the last one on this. Last night, somebody commented on my video on this, and I either knew this or I forgot it or I never knew it, that you can move the mesh nodes around. So what I'm going to do right now is make a new color. I'm going to hold down the control button and add a little yellow to it. Maybe add a little white, make it a little lighter. And then we took this shape and got the mesh fill tool that I never get to play with as a laser engraver. But what I was trying to do in the first video, I wasn't even thinking about what you could do. You could actually take the shape tool and carefully move these nodes down just a little bit. See, you don't want that. I've already learned you don't want that angle. You want a smooth line. You could actually probably move this one up a little bit. But see, I'm trying to get where it's going to have a little bit of an angle. And then you could select I didn't get all of them. Select these. See, I'm getting those up there. So maybe I wonder if I can hold down the Alt key, yes, and lasso, just the ones I want, and then go up here to the color eyedropper tool and get the color eyedropper tool and grab that color. And see, that way I've got kind of an angle. And I'm even thinking we might be able to move them now. Well, I've got them all selected, but like you could select those and move them down. And make that, yes, so you make that green go wherever you want it, further or closer. This is pretty cool. Sometimes I wish laser engravers could do color. But if you could see the difference is my light green now is going up to that angle. If we move it back over to his other part, and let's move that out of the way, put that there. It's getting a lot closer. I made it too big, but when you had it in there, you could actually, well, now that really messed it up, having that other part on top of it. But if you think you went too far up, you could, with the shape tool, you can move these nodes. Now, don't get crazy because they could swirl on you. I don't think it matters when you move the inside because it's not changing. It's just changing the edge ones. But that's pretty cool, and I thank that viewer subscriber for either reminding me of that or telling me that for the first time. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody, and thank you for watching.